So one of these pots does not look like the other. I wonder who could it be? Hey everyone! So today I am repotting my Calathea Medallion. Mostly because the pot that it was in didn't go with the rest of the pots, and I'm very picky with that kind of stuff, and I just wanted to change the pot and make it look consistent, or at least a shade of gray. So, ooh, my coffee's ready. 1 second. So back to what I was saying. I just didn't like how it looked. For decorational purposes, for interior design purposes, I just wanted to change the pot. So I went back to this same store that I bought the other gray pots originally. Thankfully they had one with the tray of the same size, so here it is. And I have my mix here. We got some soil, some tree bark, peat moss, perlite, and charcoal. So it's pretty well clear, and it's a good mix for calatheas that require moist soil. But yeah, let's do this. Calathea's repotted. Only thing left is to add these rocks that I had in the old tray and put it into the new tray, the matching tray. Much better. Only thing that I couldn't find was a slightly bigger tray, because I tend to look for bigger trays, but this was literally the last tray available, and I really didn't want to go back to the store just for a tray, so I got that instead. It'll be fine. It works. I'd rather have it all matching than not matching, so it works fine. Here's Daisy. Hello. Ms. Whiny Pants. Looking out her window. So that's all. I just had that small project on the side. I'm just showing you guys what I was doing. A lot of the stuff that I do with my plants is for aesthetic purposes, because I like plants. I like to decorate my home, and if everything flows well, including the plants, then I'm happy. Like and subscribe if you want to continue seeing videos like this, or let me know what you would like to see. Or dislike if you dislike the video. It works too. It's a free world. Take care, guys. Stay healthy.